You're about to watch the Detmurds channel. Enjoy.
Alright, here's a little pizza that I just made. Actually, this dough is about to be overproofed. And I've been trying to start a fire for the last hour in my pizza oven. It is windy out there. Note to self, never try to use the wood burning pizza oven when it's windy in Michigan. Here we go. It's been sitting there for about 10 minutes. Surprised it didn't stick to the counter. Alright, let's go outside. Now, I'm sure she's not really all that hot, but this is all I got to work with. Let me set this down for a second. Yeah, not really a good thing to do, adding wood to a somewhat dying fire. The wind kept blowing the thing out. 1 hour and getting it to where it was at this point. Yeah, this pizza was doomed from the beginning. And I still got that pizza sitting there on the peel. Let's watch the rest of it. I did have this fire built on the steel. Sorry about that. It was on the steel, and moved it back, wind kept blowing it out. Here we go. Let's see how this works. Oh boy. Kind of close to there. There we go. Oh man. Birds are driving me crazy. A little lady out there looking like something from a Vietnam War movie. I'll have to cut that part out. Alright, yeah, so it's cooking. Very irritated by the wind that you don't really see blowing too much right now, but it is really ruining my game. Yeah, it's cooking, definitely cooking. This dough is 50% hydration, and should get a little bit more browning than that 70% hydration dough that I've been making and cooking in the Detmurds pizza oven. At this moment, I'm kind of in the mood to almost just leave the Detmurds pizza oven out for the scrappers on trash day. Yeah, that fire is nowhere near hot enough.
You're watching the Detmurds channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, it looks like it's a little hotter than it was, so we'll run with it. This pizza, and I'm sure it's good. Dough at 50% hydration. pizza tasted fine. Actually, it was really good. Just didn't get the outcome I wanted. I wanted some darkness. It had a little browning on the bottom, but it was doomed from the beginning. This pizza oven, what am I going to do with it? I may be making some scrapper pretty happy. Thank you for watching. I'm Paulie. Till next time.
Paulie, we love you.